In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the green/blue screen overlay settings in iMovie. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. Do you want to add a cool video background to your existing video? Well, you can actually do that using iMovie on your iPad or iPhone. So let's check out this tutorial. So what you will need is an iPad, an iPhone, or an iPod Touch that's running iOS 15 or later. You also need a green or blue screen video and your own video clip. So one of the things you have to remember is video placement is very important. So you want to think of it like a sandwich. Your green or blue screen video will be placed at the very top, followed by your own video clip, and the bottom will be music or even voiceovers. If you follow that video placement order, you'll get results like this. So for example, if I want to add a cool video background to my green screen video, I can do that as well. And maybe I have a green screen video with an animated character that I want to place in a real life object. And I can do exactly that by following the video placement order. So here we are in iMovie on the iPad, and I've already created a movie project. What we're going to do now, we're going to add our video sources. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign. And under media, you go to video or wherever you place your video. It could be on your iCloud drive. In that case, you would just go to files. In my case, my videos are located in the iPad. So I'm gonna go to video, recently added. And again, video placement is very important. So I am going to use the clip that is my desk, because my intention is to have the character that's in my green screen video be placed on top of that desk. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign, and the main clip goes first. Now it's time to add our green screen or blue screen video on top of our desk video. So I'm going to tap on that green screen clip. Now this time, instead of tapping on the plus sign, I'm going to tap on the three dots, and what we want to choose is the green/blue screen. Now your iPad will remove the green or blue background, and there it is. So that green background has been removed, and we play it back. It looks like the character is on the desk most of the time. If I film the desk a little bit further, it will look like the character is actually on the desk. And there's also some adjustments you can make in case that iMovie didn't really remove the green background as much. So you just tap on your green or blue screen clip, and you'll see these two little options right here. So there's one is the strength, gives you the ability to remove more of the green if you need to do it, and also the ability to drag corners to exclude areas, so you can remove some of the green corners if you like. So that's how you will use the green screen/blue screen overlay on an iPad. The next part of the tutorial is the iPhone version, but before we get to that, I have a question for everyone. What kind of cool video background will you be adding to your existing video? Leave your comments below. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe button, and also the bell notification so you get notified of new videos. If you're interested in learning more about video editing, then check out some of my courses. They'll be launching soon, so make sure to sign up for the email list and you'll get notified when those courses are published. Let's continue on with the tutorials. So here we are on the iPhone or iPod Touch version of iMovie, and we're going to do exactly the same thing we did on the iPad, just that the interface is a little bit different, but the technique is the same. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our main clip. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign. And again, my videos are stored in the video section. If yours is a little different, if you have an iCloud, you would just go to files. So I'm going to go to video, recently added. And I am going to add this clip right here. I'm going to tap on the plus sign. And I'm going to tap on the plus sign again. And I'm going to look for that little green screen clip. And same thing, I'm going to tap on the three dots again. And I'm going to select green/blue screen. And depending on how fast your device is, it's going to remove that green or blue background. And we play it back. There you go. So he's pretty close to the desk. Again, if I film the video of my desk a little bit better, I think I can place him on the desk. And of course, you can do adjustments as well. So you just tap on your green or blue screen clip and you get the same exact features as well. You get the strength button and the drag to corners. And when you're done making your adjustments, just tap on done. So that's how you would use the green/blue screen overlay settings on an iPhone or an iPod Touch. So that's how you will add your own video background by using that green screen/blue screen overlay setting in iMovie. If you want more video editing tutorials, stay tuned because more will be showing up. I'll see you next time.